Hello, my beautiful people. I hope you are having an awesome day. I have just received my monthly Coffee and a Classic subscription box in the mail. If you're not familiar with it, you can go to coffeeandaclassic.com. I will try to leave the link below. There's no referral or sponsorship there. It's just a website that you can check out. There's different children's classics or different types of classics that you can sign up for. I get the basic box. There's also another box that comes with a mug and some snacks. The basic box comes with the book, the bookmark, a couple bookish items, and coffee, of course. You can also substitute tea or hot chocolate, which I did get the hot chocolate during the winter, so that was quite tasty. And I look forward to seeing what's in this month's box. I look forward to rereading classics that I loved, maybe having some beautiful additions to collect, and discovering some new classics I never heard of because I've really just kind of started. Ooh. Look, it's Playbill Phantom of the Opera, which I have read, and I have the official Playbill poster framed. I have the official Playbill, and I have, I think, 2 different versions of the musical, but I don't think I even own the book. Maybe I own the old one that I had for school. I had to read this in school. Anyway. Music is my soul. It's a little instrument bookmark. There's a string that's the actual bookmark. It's kind of got a glare on the plastic, but then there's a guitar. You see that? That's cute. And then there's a sleep music of the night sleeper, which I don't think I have one of those. And sometimes when I travel, it wouldn't be a bad thing to have that because I do like it dark. Ooh, this looks like a beautiful coffee. It's called Paris Opera House French Roast Coffee. So, and the coffee last month was very tasty. I was thinking of even ordering some because it was really, really good. It was supporting Native Americans, and it was very good. So I thought I might order some of that. I tried to order one once before. I think I shared in the October, and they didn't have the one I wanted online. So here's Phantom of the Opera. It's just kind of a, it's a pretty cover, but it's just kind of a classic paperback. It's not really all that special. So that's maybe a little disappointing because I think I have like an old Penguin Classic small thing that I even have marked for school that I may still own. But it's nice to have another copy of this. And I do like the book. I think it was a good book. So I've only read it for school and then, of course, seen the play. And I will spare you singing from it, but I love the music. So that was my coffee, 2 bookish items, and bookmark and book. So I will continue my reading, do some reviews. I need to do some catch up on my vlogs and boxes, but thank you for tuning in today. If you are new, I would love for you to like and subscribe and come along with me. I do all kinds of different life things that bring me joy, and books bring me joy, and I hope they do you too. So if you've read this or there's another classic that you think I should read, leave me a comment below. I lied. I'm sorry. You might have already canceled out and missed this, but I missed it in my box. So the second bookish item was an air freshener. That's a chandelier. And if you've read the book or seen the musical, you get why this is dun 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 dun. Hey, on a side note, if you tuned in for this extra bonus, when I was studying theater in London, I was queuing the line and my professor passed by and he said, "Kristen, come with me." And we went to the back door and we said how we were students and professors from America, and they actually gave us a backstage tour of the original theater in London that has been hosting opera, Phantom of the Opera, for years and years, and the actual pulley system and the chandeliers and the candelabras and all that stuff. We were under the stage and back behind the stage, and I got to see all that. It was a high point of that trip. That was an awesome, awesome trip. That was fantastic. So there's a little bonus tip for you, that if you see the one in London, the theater shows nothing but that, and it is all rigged specifically for that show. It's fantastic. If you go, it's worth it. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.